blue shirts.
9 seconds on the shot clock. Quick possession here for the Tanduay Rum Masters as Baloria lines up from downtown.
That Coach Pocholo Villanueva is very proud of.
Garcia no good on that floater as Olivares runs. Nice pass to the left corner. Baloria, yes!
Lucky bounce. His aggressiveness, he's looking for his shot, not unlike those past few games where there were confidence issues, and especially when he gets the ball, he's looking to pass, but Junrick Baloria is not looking to pass as he nails his third three of the game. As we look at this replay right here, Jong Baloria, third three-pointer of the game, doesn't seem to bother despite the defense. All he needs is a little daylight, and remember that it is during the first quarter that ICC is able to stay in step with their opponents. But after the first quarter, can they sustain this kind of effort?
Baloria answering back with a three of his own. He's got 12 now.
Almost, but not quite there by Gaspay. Baloria in the lane.
Gaspay getting physical there with Jong Baloria, who draws the foul. Jake Gaspay taking a seat on Coach Jay Agsalud's bench, being replaced right now by Jay.
They would want them to tie these Nueva Ecija Capitals at 5-1 as well.
Mataranta sila ng Tanduay. Baloria wrestling control of the ball, pulling up from downtown, and another foul.
And never foul someone who is shooting from the three-point area, much more like a Jong Baloria who has been steaming hot in this game.
Note that he really made sure that he was way beyond the three-point line, so it shows you that he had so much time on his hands.
Slowly ballooning here. As the champion here, it's a PhilBasket Summer Championship.
Here in our first half of play as Villanueva looks for a suitable option. Finding Baloria.
Oh.
And he hits the three, and he's got an opportunity to convert a 4-point play.
Already 20 points in this game, Stan. Oh, Jake Gaspay just rushing that wrist of Jong Baloria a little bit, but still able. Mr. Apinan has not seen the court yet in today's match.
That's right. Very curious by his abs in. They're finding Baloria this time on the right corner. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Baloria, 6 for 7.
Up with that offensive rebound.
Gaspay looking for Duarte earlier. Now here's Baloria. Could be his first shot of the second half. Yes, it is. 26 for Jong Baloria.
Vento not doing a good job of going further in that end. Look at that. He let Jong Baloria get a step ahead of him, and that, veteran experience of Jong Baloria.
Thank you, Stan. We are here with Jong Baloria with 26 points. Jong, Jong, etong game nyo na to, simula pa lang, first half pa lang, naka 24 points ka na. Hindi ka nagkulang simula pa lang sa effort. What pushes you?
Again.
ulit. First half pa lang, naka 24 points ka na. Kung sa effort lang, hindi ka nagkulang simula pa lang, ano yung nagtutulak sa'yo sa mga ganitong klaseng laro?
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako kay God. Siguro yung laging sinasabi ni coach sa akin na kailangan maging two-way player ka. Offense and then defense, and then gusto niya, sabi niya, tira ka lang ng tira ngayon. Gusto ko tira ka na ng tira sa 3 points. Ayun, which is sinuklian ko naman yung tiwala ni coach sa akin. Yun.
Jong, 6 wins, wala pa kayong talo. Sabi nila most lessons come from defeat. Pero ikaw, para sa'yo, yung mga panalo nyo, anong natututunan mo doon?
Siguro kami naman kasi, ang lahat ng tingin namin sa mga kalaban namin is like, pantay-pantay. Yung team namin, hindi kami na malakas kami. We treat our opponent as, player din kasi yan, lagi sinasabi ni Coach Cholo. Like, hindi namin kukunin yung panalo na pupunta kami sa venue na panalo na tayo. Like, pagtatrabahuan muna. Ayun.
Jong, message ka naman.
Binabati ko pala, Mama ni King Importante, happy birthday. Tristan Medina, happy birthday. Binabati ko family ko sa Mindanao, mama ko si Minda, papa ko si Eric, mga kapatid ko si Kuya Jello, Mayor Eoy Maniegos, lahat ng taga-Kulambugan, kamag-anakan ko, Marlon, Olindo, lahat dyan. Sa Pampanga, family ko din po dyan. Baloria family, Makarayg family, and then Angel, Jake, mga pinsa ko, Japet, Jael, lahat ng kamag-anakan ko, binabati ko kayo lahat.
Thank you, Jong. Congratulations. Back to you, Stan and Javi.
Congratulations to our pure gold best player of the game, Jong Baloria, playing like he's an NBA 2.